Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to make a dry duck breast without an electric wine cellar, vacuum pack machine or smoker. To do it, we need a big duck breast, which you can buy from your butcher or directly from a breeder, as is the case here. A scale, even if it's not super accurate. A container that closes in glass or stainless steel. And the most natural coarse salt possible. We start by trimming our duck breast. In other words, we remove all the pieces of nerves, thin skin or excess fats. We try our best here. You can also mop up the blood and make sure there is as little as possible left in your duck breast. And this until your piece of duck is just about clean. Now we're going to weigh our meat and, very important, we're going to note its weight, as the aim is to lose 30% of it. Ours weighs 457 grams now. In our container we're going to put a bed of coarse salt of about 2-3 centimeters. We place our duck breast and we cover it well with 1 or 2 centimeters of salt sprinkled all over. And we will leave it in the fridge for 8 hours maximum. Let's rinse it quickly with cold water, but you could also dry brush it now. And we dry it with kitchen roll. We're going to give him a few rounds of black pepper. Then we will simply leave it on a rack at the bottom of the fridge until it loses 30% of its weight. We wait every 4-5 days. And after exactly 17 days, I had reached a weight of 315 grams, which is 30% loss. It's dry but still quite soft, and you can see that there is not a single trace of mold or anything else. Let's have a taste of that now. Beautiful, even the color on the inside, with a very slight crust that is not at all annoying. The fat is quite white as well. A very nice smell. You can really smell the duck, as we did not season our meat too much. And the taste is just amazing. The meat is super tender and the fat melts in your mouth. It's a delight. So you see what you can do in just 19 days without any equipment or utensils. Now it's your turn to try and to keep me informed. And if you like the video, don't hesitate to subscribe. See you soon.